In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress using Hostinger's hPanel quickly and efficiently. If you're keen to set up a new website, understanding how to install WordPress is a crucial step in your web development journey. So, let's dive right in. First things first, the starting point is to log into your Hostinger hPanel. To do this, simply visit hostinger.com and log in using your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, your hPanel dashboard will open up. This is your command center for managing your hosting account and website-related activities. Next, we want to direct our attention to the auto-installer feature because it's going to make our life a whole lot easier. Look towards the sidebar and locate Websites. Click on it, which should bring up a list of your hosting plans. Choose your specific hosting plan by clicking on it. Then, search for and click on Auto Installer in the menu that appears. From the list of applications, select WordPress. It's a popular choice due to its flexibility and user-friendliness. Now, it's time to fill in your site details. This is an exciting bit because it's where your website starts to take shape. You'll be prompted to choose a site title. This could be the name of your business or blog. Then enter an admin email. This email is crucial because it will be used for administrative purposes and notifications from your WordPress site. Following that, you'll need to select an admin username and password. Make sure to choose a strong password to keep your site secure. With those details entered, go ahead and click Next. For those of you who like to have a little more control, there's an option to configure some advanced settings. To do that, expand the Advanced section. Here, you have the freedom to customize the installation path. You can decide whether you'd like WordPress installed in the root directory or perhaps a subdirectory depending on how you want your site structured. Also, if you already have a database and prefer to use it, there's an option to do so right here. After that, you'll need to select your WordPress version and language. It's best to go with the latest version as it comes with all the current features and security updates. Choose your preferred language and also set a minor update schedule, which is recommended to keep your site running smoothly and securely. Now, with all that done, you can go ahead and click Install. The installation process is pretty quick and generally wraps up in about a minute. Behind the scenes, the installer is setting up essential files and configuring your database, all to get your site ready for action. Once installation is complete, it's time to access your brand new WordPress dashboard. Navigate back to the Websites tab and click on Installed Applications. You'll see your site listed there. Simply click the ellipsis next to your site URL, then choose Manage, followed by Admin Panel. This action will take you directly to your WordPress dashboard, the heart of your website, where you can